Today, we're delving into the world of portable air conditioners. If you're tired of sweating through the summer or need a swift cooling fix, you've come to the right spot. We've conducted extensive research to present you with the finest portable air conditioners available. So keep watching to discover your ultimate cooling companion for a more comfortable and refreshing. First up, we have the BLACK+DECKER BPACT14HWT, a versatile and powerful air conditioner that will keep you cool and comfortable all year round. This portable air conditioner is designed to provide efficient cooling and heating for spaces up to 350 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. The BPACT14HWT boasts 14,000 BTUs of cooling power, ensuring that even on the hottest summer days, you'll stay cool and relaxed. It also features a 11,000 BTU heating element, allowing you to stay warm during the winter months. With its 4-in-1 functionality, it serves as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan, providing you with complete climate control. This unit is incredibly user-friendly with a digital display and remote control, allowing you to easily adjust the temperature and settings to your preference. The 24-hour timer lets you customize your cooling or heating schedule, while the sleep mode ensures a peaceful night's rest. Additionally, the BPACT14HWT is equipped with a washable and reusable filter, saving you money on replacement filters. Its easy-to-install window kit ensures a hassle-free setup, and the smooth rolling casters make it simple to move from room to room. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER BPACT14HWT is a reliable and versatile air conditioner that provides both cooling and heating capabilities, making it an ideal choice for year-round comfort in any living space. Next on our list is the TOSOT 8000 BTU portable air conditioner, your ticket to a cooler and more comfortable living space. Designed for rooms up to 350 square feet, this compact yet powerful unit packs a punch when it comes to cooling. With 8,000 BTUs of cooling power, the TOSOT air conditioner quickly and efficiently cools down your room, making hot summer days more bearable. It features a user-friendly LED display and a convenient remote control, allowing you to adjust the temperature and fan speed with ease. The TOSOT 8000 BTU air conditioner also comes equipped with a 24-hour programmable timer, ensuring that you can create a customized cooling schedule to suit your needs. Its sleep mode reduces noise levels for a peaceful night's sleep. One of the standout features of this unit is its washable and reusable filter. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly buying replacement filters. Simply clean the filter and it's ready to go, saving you both time and money. Installation is a breeze with the included window kit, and the caster wheels make moving the unit from room to room effortless. It also has a built-in handle for easy transportation. In summary, the TOSOT 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is a reliable and efficient cooling solution for small to medium-sized rooms, providing you with the comfort you need during those hot summer months. Moving on to the third is the Vremi 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner. Your answer is staying cool and comfortable in rooms up to 350 square feet. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this unit is a game-changer for those sweltering summer days. The Vremi air conditioner boasts an impressive 10,000 BTUs of cooling power, ensuring that your room cools down quickly and efficiently. It features a user-friendly control panel with digital display, making it easy to set your desired temperature and fan speed. Plus, the included remote control allows you to make adjustments from across the room. With a 24-hour programmable timer, you can customize your cooling schedule to match your daily routine. The sleep mode reduces noise levels at night, ensuring you get a good night's sleep without disturbance. One of the standout features of the Vremi air conditioner is its washable and reusable filter. No more frequent filter replacements, simply clean and reinstall, saving you both time and money. Installing the unit is a breeze with the included window kit, and the smooth rolling caster wheels make it easy to move from room to room. Plus, the integrated handle adds to its portability. In conclusion, the Vremi 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a reliable and efficient cooling solution that offers convenience, flexibility, and cost savings for your comfort needs. Now let's talk about the fourth number. Is the ZAFRO 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is your go-to solution for staying cool in rooms up to 250 square feet. This compact and efficient unit offers powerful cooling performance without breaking the bank. With 8,000 BTUs of cooling power, the ZAFRO air conditioner can quickly lower the temperature in your room, making it a perfect choice for bedrooms, small offices, or dorm rooms. The user-friendly control panel allows you to easily set your preferred temperature and fan speed, and the included remote control offers added convenience. The 24-hour programmable timer lets you create a customized cooling schedule to match your daily routine, and the sleep mode ensures a peaceful night's sleep with reduced noise levels. One of the standout features of the ZAFRO air conditioner is its washable and reusable filter. Forget about the hassle of constantly buying replacement filters. Simply clean the filter and it's good to go, saving you time and money. Installation is a breeze with the included window kit, and the built-in caster wheels make moving the unit from room to room effortless. Its compact size and integrated handle add to its portability. In summary, the ZAFRO 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is an affordable and efficient cooling solution for smaller spaces, providing reliable comfort and convenience. Last but not least, the Evapolar evaCHILL portable air conditioner is a revolutionary cooling device designed to keep you comfortable in small spaces, both indoors and outdoors. This innovative unit offers a unique cooling experience without the need for traditional refrigerants or compressor. The evaCHILL uses the natural cooling power of water to create a refreshing breeze. It's incredibly energy efficient and eco-friendly, making it a sustainable choice for cooling. This portable cooler can be used on your desk, bedside table, or even in your car. Operating the evaCHILL is simple. Just fill the water tank, connect it to a USB power source, and enjoy the cool and humidified air. The device is remarkably quiet, ensuring it won't disrupt your work or sleep. This portable air conditioner also features customizable LED lighting, allowing you to set the mood with a range of colors. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. In conclusion, the Evapolar evaCHILL portable air conditioner offers a unique and eco-friendly cooling solution for personal spaces, making it a perfect companion for hot summer days or stuffy indoor environments. Enjoy a cool and refreshing breeze with this innovative cooling device. That's it for our best portable air conditioners guide.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.